Today I have a little random grocery haul to share with you guys. I actually got an order from Misfits Market this week, and then I got a small order from Walmart today. Misfits Market is actually having an awesome deal right now for new customers. You can get $15 off your first order. I think normally it's $10 off your first order, so $15 worth of free groceries if you want to try it out. I like ordering from them because I can get things that are hard for me to find here in my small town. So I'll put that link in the description box below if you want to try it out. And then I also have that small Walmart haul to share with you as well. So here's everything I got from Misfits Market. They had some really cool stuff this time. I haven't ordered from them in a while, so I thought I would share it with you guys. I got some ricotta. This was actually free with my order. So every time you place an order with them, you get points, and then you can use them to get free food. So I figured that was a good deal. Good bang for my buck to get for free. I also got this whole milk plain Greek yogurt, and then a couple different flavored yogurts. This one is elderflower and lemon, and this one is black currant and orange. I thought those sounded really good, and I've been loving granola and yogurt lately. I ordered this one of the last times I ordered from them. It's the Niman Ranch beef pastrami. Very delicious. I always need garlic, and so I got some of this Colavita garlic paste, roasted garlic paste. This is why I also love getting stuff from Misfits, because I can just find stuff that I wouldn't normally be able to get in my small town. So I haven't tried this brand of garlic paste, so got that. I got a chunk of feta cheese. They had this for a pretty good price, and I always keep feta in my fridge because I love it in salads. I also got these once before a while back, the Bisou Sweet Cinnamon Donut Muffins. I'm actually surprised that these are not opened and eaten yet because some of this stuff, I actually got this order yesterday, and some of it, as you can see, has been opened by my family. I can never find these either where I live, and these are the little shelf-stable chocolate hazelnut crepes. Both the kids really like these. This is what they look like. You can see Connor busted these open after school today and had one. So I got those. I actually got 2 bags of freeze-dried candy. These were the freeze-dried Starburst. You can see that they're also open. And then I also got a bag of freeze-dried like sour worms, like gummy worms. And the kids both ate those, shared that bag last night and threw it away, so I don't have that to show you. I got some arugula. I have such a hard time finding arugula where I live. You guys have probably heard me complain about it before. And so I was like, yes, I can get it from Misfits. I can't get arugula at my Walmart most of the time. Some of the time I can find it at Hy-Vee, but that's usually the only place that has it. I also thought I would try this California Olive Ranch roasted garlic sauce. That is a new brand to me, but I thought it looked good. Patagonia is not just hats and sweaters and whatever else they make. I guess they have crackers now. Patagonia Provisions. These are sourdough sea salt crackers. I don't know, I just thought they looked interesting to try, and I've never seen those available around me. I got some avocados. These were marked as small. So a lot of times what Misfits Market will do is they'll take produce that they can't, like the conventional grocery stores can't or won't sell. And they were marked as like smaller than average, which I actually like the idea of that, because then I can just use one of these like for a lunch or for avocado toast or something like that. So I thought that was perfect. I also got some fresh mozzarella. This was a really good price. I want to say it was under $3. They do have like quite a few sales and good deals and things like that. And then the Orabora Herbal Sparkling Water. I actually had one of these earlier today. I've never tried this flavor before. This is the Ginger Meyer Lemon. It's very good. I've tried, they have different flavors. I think there's like a lavender one, maybe like a grapefruit. I've tried all of them and I really like them, but this one is really good as well. They had these meals available. So this is the butter chicken meatballs with basmati saffron rice. Adam actually put these away for me last night and put this in the freezer. I don't know if it's supposed to go in the freezer, but that's where he put it. So that's where it went. And then I also picked up these boneless, skinless chicken breast cordon bleu. chicken breast stuffed with Swiss cheese and savory ham coated in panko breadcrumbs. I thought these would make a good lunch for me. I can throw them in the air fryer, do a little arugula salad on the side. So like I said, if you guys want to try Misfits, I think it's for Earth Month. They're having a deal right now where you can get $15 worth of free groceries if you want to try them. Who doesn't want $15 worth of free groceries? So definitely try them out. I'll put that link for that coupon in the description box below. By the way, I don't watch YouTube very often on my laptop or desktop, but I just noticed the other day when I pulled up a YouTube video that the desktop view of YouTube is all jacked up now. The description box is not, the title and the description box and the comments are not right underneath the video like they used to be. They're off to the side. Have you guys noticed that? It's irritating to me because a lot of times even when I'm watching other people's videos, I want to look in the description box if they mention something or a recipe or something, and it's super hard to find now. And it's it makes me wonder if they did that because, well, YouTube's whole goal is to keep people on the platform for as long as possible, right? They want to keep people on YouTube for as long as possible. And so if people are clicking off of YouTube in the description box of videos, it makes me wonder if they're trying to not necessarily hide it, but make it a little bit more inconvenient. I don't know, it's jacked up and I don't like it. It's annoying. And I know it's a change and obviously people will get used to it, but it's still, it's just very inconvenient and kind of annoying. Okay, and then I also picked up some things from Walmart, not too much stuff, but I thought I would just share it with you guys really quick, very random. This is new, I think. I've never seen it before at Walmart. The Pasta Queen Lemon Temptress Creamy Lemon Sauce. They had other flavors too, different marinara, spicy marinara, vodka sauce, a couple different Alfredos. So let me know if you guys have seen this before or tried it and if it's good. Hi, sir. Okay, and then Connor wanted some of these Ritz cheese crackers so he could take them to school for a snack. I don't know where I got down this rabbit hole. Oh, I think I was on TikTok. And they were talking about the canned tuna in Italy and how it's so much better quality. And then I Googled something about Italian tuna and this brand came up, the Tonino. And I was like, I wonder if my Walmart will have that. Well, surprisingly enough, they did. So I thought I'd try this. This one is yellowfin tuna in olive oil, and this one is just regular tuna in water. So I don't know, thought I would try that. I got some salsa because we have some tortilla chips in the pantry and we're running out of salsa. I got this sweetened condensed milk because I had a Vietnamese iced coffee. We were in Des Moines last weekend for a soccer tournament, and there was this little cafe, coffee shop. They had baked goods and stuff too that was right down from our hotel. And I walked down there one morning and got an iced coffee, and they used sweetened condensed milk in it. Now this is pretty high in calories, so I'll probably only use 1 tablespoon, but I looked up some recipes online, so I'm excited to try that for a nice switch up for a coffee drink. I got some yellow corn tortillas. These are the Mission brand. And then I got this double chocolate cookie granola. This was actually a substitution. I ordered the chocolate chip cookie granola. I don't remember if I told you guys about this or not. I don't think I have yet. But this granola is so good. I've been liking just to put some on top of my yogurt at night. And then I got some hot dog buns because we have hot dogs in the fridge, some bread, some apples. I accidentally got 2 different kinds of apples. I meant to take these out of my cart and just get the bag, but I obviously screwed up with that. So anyway, we have lots of green apples now. I got some Cracker Barrel sharp cheddar cheese. That's what Kira likes. We have bagels in the fridge, so I thought I would get some cream cheese to go with that. Tater tots. Oh, I forgot about this. I got a Amy's enchilada cheese meal, and then they've been sold out of this the last couple times I tried to get it. This Taylor Farms Citrus Crunch chopped salad. It's so good. I love putting a little bit of goat cheese in it. Delicious. And then I totally forgot that I got the pastrami from Misfits, and so I also got some corned beef, but that's fine. We'll use it. Actually, I have some rye bread in the freezer. I can thaw out and then use that for sandwiches. All right, so thanks for watching. I will have another video for you tomorrow, so I'll see you then. Bye.